Hi friends, I'm Dr. Navnit Haror, your board certified hair transplant surgeon. Today we are here with Mr. Vaibhav Mehta. It's his 8th day. We have done his crust removal. So as you can see, the crust removal has been done. All crusts have been removed. So let's talk to him about whatever, if any challenges he has been facing, any sleeping issues or any pain, any discomfort. So let's talk to him. So Vaibhav, any challenges you have faced, any problem, any difficulty while sleeping or daily routine or going to office or any other problem while these days post hair transplant?
No, not as such a problem. Everything was fine. The swelling was going slowly, and I can see my hairline is getting better, and the donor area is also healing and is now properly healed. So
Yeah.
I don't have as such pain and everything. So healing was going very good.
And it was a comfortable.
Yes, everything was comfortable and everything was professional. That's why I choose this brand.
So as you can see, 8th to 9th day we usually remove the crust, and post hair transplant there is no pain, no discomfort if done in good hands. So it's a painless, hassle-free procedure. So as you can see, the donor area is completely healed up, as well as the recipient area is almost we can see new hairs growing. So, and there is no scar, no tissue damage, nothing, no redness even. So the skin is normal, everything is normal.
So I have done a lot of online research before coming here. So I searched for what is negative of getting a hair transplant. So I heard that you can get a scar, you can get an infection, or the hairline will not be proper. So I thought, like, I am investing one time, all of the process, days and money, everything. I have also visited other branches, but the thing is, like, they are not offering very professional services. So here I felt that everything is professional, everybody knew their duties. So the surgery went very well. So I was not at all concerned in the process. That's why I came to Dr. Navnit Haror and finalized my hair transplant here.